Switching over to an aluminum squeegee was a game changer for me. It made my prints more consistent as the aluminum does not warp like wood does. It is definitely worth every penny. First, you're going to take the screws and insert them into the holes. Use the square nuts on the inside of the squeegee. Do not tighten them. Next, you're going to slide both sides together. Adjust the square nuts so that they slide in as well. Now it's time to insert the squeegee blade. Make sure that everything is lined up before you screw it in place. It's as simple as that. Now your squeegee is ready to be used for printing.